Marcus, the microphone attending you rappers for entertainment. Let the rebel type is spit the real life is separate. I'm the type of person that will take the color, no nigga flat out perfect. Who you gotta waste it? I tell ya nigga, try me my lyrics, the technique is ever mysterious and sacred. Heavenly blessing. Power. I seen a lot of stuff that can make you go bananas. I've been back and forth, generations from your forefathers to your fathers. We'll say your lords, trying to show your fathers. Words wise say twice when the elder hollers. Farewell savage like the giant Kamala. You microphone skills when you go fanatics. Experimenting acrobatics of broken semantics. Sequential runs like bullets from the semi-automatic. Behold the ariser, the modern day crisis. Savage markers, ripping from the inside out and roast the crackers and feed it to the broken hearted monkeys at the circus. This is what the beef is likely to literally or even practically take us. Mama has the proper roster. The breath of Damien Marcus was another fighter blander. My niggas everyone is every day I wear the stronger dance. Village of Florida, they say killer three-dimensional anatomy constructed through the rose to the mass. And then the more utilize the art of the wise and see what's below that was designed. Even the old in my brains for the fluids that flows in the veins of the gods where I promise let people from his mission the court. Sometimes I choose to bury the moment. So long as that bastard ain't making it whole, my style's corrupt like a team's intentional form. Unbelievable, like the survivable. Try to learn, let's see the ball. Look around the zone, let a break, take a microphone. Capture with your hands of microphone. The moment of history, story of the microphone. Oh hell, you're so majestic. You're a man of faces and speaking of different faces. I'm broad and domestic, so damn fantastic. Fight up performance, I'm so thirsty. Truly blows Marcus.